Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to look at Toyota Tacoma 2024 is officially launched. In this video, we will tell you all specification of this masterpiece, including EV motor power and performance, range, charging and battery life, interior comfort and cargo infotainment and connectivity, and much more. But before we proceed, if you're new to this channel, remember go ahead and to hit the bell icon to subscribe so you won't miss the informative videos we will upload in the future. Now get ready and make sure to stay tuned till the end as we dive right into the video. Toyota Tacoma 2024 is officially here. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma should have comparable stylistic cues and equally cutting-edge mechanical components to the completely remodeled Toyota Tundra. The mid-size Tacoma outsells domestic competitors like the Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger A, in contrast to the full-size Tundra. However, the most well-liked truck from Toyota will need considerable upgrades to stay dominating, and the next generation hopes to achieve that. A redesigned body-on-frame structure with a more advanced coil spring rear suspension will be used in the new Tacoma, similar to the Tundra. We anticipate it will receive a powertrain upgrade, perhaps in the form of a turbocharged 4-cylinder. With a hybrid option, the interior of the 2024 Tacoma ought to be more stylish, and the infotainment system ought to be more up-to-date. Although official information is still scarce, what's new for 2024? For the 2024 model year, the Tacoma will transition into a new generation. The fact that it will use Toyota's new TNJF design, a body-on-frame chassis that also supports the new Tundra and the upcoming Sequoia and 4Runner, is one of the few things we currently know for sure. We also have an artist rendering of what a potential future Tacoma TRD Pro would resemble. If the new Tundra design is any clue, the younger brother will have a grille lighting components and characteristic fender bulges that are also recognizable. We anticipate finding out more information about the new Taco mix year, and think it might make its appearance in 2024 pricing, and which one to buy. Toyota has not disclosed the price or available trim levels for the 24 Tacoma. Over the current version, which starts at roughly $28,000, we anticipate a small price increase. The lineup should also be consistent with the previous generation, starting with the base senior trim and progressing through the well-liked DRD Sport and off-road model. To the top-of-the-line off-road capable TRD Pro engine transmission and performance. A new powertrain is warranted for the Tacoma. Although it presently offers the only mid-sized truck with a manual transmission, and we'd like it to continue, its 6-speed automatic transmission is cumbersome and antiquated when compared to those found in rivals like the GMC Canyon and Nissan Frontier. The departing Tacoma has a weak 4-cylinder base engine and a weaker available V6 than any V6-powered competitor, including the frequently criticized Honda Ridgeline on a TRD Pro model. Toyota has teased an E-Force Max tailgate emblem. With the limited information we presently have, we may assume that the Tacoma's hybrid powertrain, which is based on the Tundra 6 cylinders, will be available. It's quite unlikely that it would produce 437 horsepower, like it does in the full-size Tundra, but it would undoubtedly compete with the incoming Ford Ranger Raptor, a turbocharged 4-cylinder, possibly the 2.4-liter from the Lexus NX 3050, with 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, is yet another conceivable powerplant option. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Although the mid-size truck will continue to be built on a body-on-frame platform, we anticipate that it will remove its rear leaf spring suspension in favor of a more contemporary coil spring system, which should enhance both its ride and handling interior comfort and cargo. We have no idea how the interior of the new Tacoma will look, but just as its exterior is anticipated to take design cues from the larger Tundra, so too should its interior, which suggests chunky, tough styling elements, nicer materials throughout, and modern features. We anticipate the truck to continue to be offered with an extended cab and a crew cab, as well as a short and long bed option. We only hope the back seat in the new truck is roomier than the current one. Infotainment and connectivity. We anticipate the 2024 Tacoma will adopt a larger and more modern infotainment system that suggests a larger touchscreen. Perhaps even the 14.0-inch one found inside the 2019 Tundra would replace the existing 8.0-inch model. We anticipate the 2017 Tacoma's infotainment system to continue to provide Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. In addition to some new capabilities, we'll provide fresh videos with more information as it becomes available from Toyota, including capacity for towing and payload, real-world miles per gallon, and fuel economy safety, and driver assistance features, maintenance and warranties coverage. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. Comment below with your answer, and let us know. Would you buy Toyota Tacoma 2024? Tell us which one you would purchase in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you all soon.